All of the feet.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say,
What's my name? Oh, nah, nah. What's my name? Oh, nah, nah. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Everybody.
Hi guys, so I told you guys yesterday that I have an appointment to see my dermatologist today. So I am in the compound right now. I'm about to go in to go see her. The appointment is for 10 o'clock, but this is already 10:16. Okay, yeah, 10:17. So I think I'm late, but not that late. Let me just head in and go see her quickly, and I'll catch you guys later. So guys, I'm done seeing my dermatologist, but guys, like, I don't know why Nigerians them don't really keep to time. Look at me thinking that I'm late, only for me to get in there and I discover that the doctor doesn't even know that she has an appointment with someone today. That the nurses had to like call her on phone for her to come, and it took her like 1 hour plus before she got to the hospital to see me. Like, I had to wait for her for like 1 hour. Like, it's really annoying. Thank God my lash appointment is for 1 p.m. If not, I would have just left the hospital and go do my lash. Maybe reschedule the appointment for another day. It's almost 12 o'clock right now, so I'll just be driving home, and yeah, when I get home I'll just eat and relax and come out later on to go do my lashes, and I'll also get my nails done. I'll take you guys with me, guys, so let's go home. And sorry guys if you're hearing any noise, it's coming from the car AC. I need it. The sun is out and it's really hot, so I had to like on the car AC. Guys, please don't mind the sound.
Is this a reminder?
I'm a lover, burning all the dagger from the words that you say. Fuck, yeah. Dancing in the mirror, kiss myself because I love what they made. Ooh, yeah. She's a guide, she's a hero. She survived all she been through. She gon' fuck with my sis. She comfortable, comfortable in my skin. Cozy with who I am, comfortable in my skin. Cozy, cozy, comfortable in my skin. Feet up above your sins. I love myself, goddamn. Cozy, cozy, cozy. I love me. Drink and come to a clouds. No fancy shade God made. Blue, black, white, and brown. Paint the
guys, so I'm done making my lashes and I also got my nails done. I just did a very simple style, nothing much. Let me reduce this AC. So I got my lashes done and I also did my nails and my toenails too. I didn't do my pedicure because I have a wound in my leg and I need that wound to like heal. It's not something major, it's just a minor injury that I got yesterday in the bathroom. So I still need to do my facials, pedicure, and yeah, and also my hair. I haven't like figured out what I want to do with my hair yet, but yeah, I will conclude on that. So I said let me just come on here and talk to you guys, just update you guys on how my day is going. And yeah, right now I'll be driving home. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Simple rain. Simple rain. Days in the sun and nights in the rain. Summer is over. Simple rain. Simple rain. It's good for the pain. Already told you I don't feel the same. I don't feel the same. Anywhere I go, can't help but swear I know. 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 Can't help but swear. Days in the sun and nights in the rain. Summer is over. Simple rain. Simple rain. Simple rain. Simple rain. Simple rain. Simple rain. Days in the sun and nights in the rain. Summer is over. Simple rain. It's good for the pain. Already told you I don't feel the same. I don't feel the same. Anywhere I go, can't help but swear I know. Can't help but swear